What's up, y'all? We're gonna be doing a repair today on this shingle right here. Nothing too much. I mean, okay. Already you see we got a tear right here. We got a tear right here. I was really just gonna say we're just gonna jump straight into it. It's pretty. Okay. Again, it's just kind of tearing through. Being very gentle here. Right. Want to make sure we're not. Okay. Again, we got another tear that just happened right there. Okay. Again, we have another tear that just happened right here. This is just all from unsealing it. All right, cool. All right, so now that we have those unsealed, yeah, I can tell this is not gonna go too well as far as getting them up. Just wanna make sure that it's unsealed all the way. That one was not unsealed all the way. Sweet, roof snake. We're gonna be using a roof snake, specifically designed to do these little spot repairs. And again, we're just trying to attempt to do one of these repairs that was on the scope. We just wanted to record just in case it did fail, and so far it already has. All right, trying to get that nail out. We have a tear that just happened right there. My goodness. I'm trying to gently, slowly but surely nudge that nail out. All right, got it, but that shingle is destroyed. Now, Cam, can you come show this? Are you able to get over here? Yep. Okay. I just want y'all to see that this nail right here is perfectly flush. I want you to see what's happening. All right. Trying to be gentle here. Perfect, we got that one out easy. Here goes another one. Okay, was perfectly flush, and as you can see, now it is, there's a tear right there. Trying to get this out. Yeah. Bit of a headache. You can see that tear that just happened right there. Right, this shingle, regardless of how much care you show, it's gonna be very hard to do without causing additional damage. Right. Again, another nail pull through. Just go ahead and grab that. I don't want to lift it up too high. Of course. I don't think I've even lifted it up to a 45-degree angle yet, and we already have some points of failure. Where? All right here. Okay.
Yep.
They saw that. As you all see, it's just absolutely just tearing. Gotcha. Okay. And again, I hope you guys can see that we are showing a willingness to make this pass. We have no issues doing repairs. We really don't. But only if they make sense. And so far, it doesn't seem like this is going to make too much sense to do spot repairs on this. There's no way to bring it back to that pre-loss condition. I mean, it's already had a look. Okay, the whole shingle literally just fell apart. Piece by piece, it's still falling apart. Now there is the shingle that we removed, so it's not like that's super important, but definitely something to keep in mind. Probably should have wore some darker jeans today. That's all right. Notice the length difference of the shingles. Tried to line it up as well as we could. You might be able to see right here. As you can see, the exposure on these two shingles is completely different. So now in order to install a newer shingle in production, that nail line is way up here, whereas you can see here, that nail line is lower. Right, so that's gonna throw it off a bit. That exposure is way longer on this. So this should really be right here like this. And y'all can see exactly that exposure is off. This might be 5-inch exposure, which would definitely mean it's discontinued. We'll get some pictures of that if it is. But yeah, thank you. But we're gonna go ahead and get this in here. Is this AllState or State Farm?
AllState.
AllState, sweet. I actually love AllState. Alright, I'm gonna put this back right here. Lift this up. Almost done. Put this back there. Again, I'm just trying to lift that shingle up, and it's tearing. Now, mind you, the roof snake is designed specifically for these shingles. I meant for these repairs, so that you don't have to lift the shingles up that high. Yet, even with minimal lifting, you're still gonna have some damage occurring. Right, and this last one is going to go right here. Boom. So, we just completed a full repair. Again, you can definitely tell. Did I have the chocolate with you? I did.
Mr. Run off with your chocolate.
Get this. So, okay. So, we have this tear right here that happened. We have, trying to be very gentle here, this tear right here that occurs. Just make sure everything else. Just want to make sure we point everything out to y'all. Okay. We have a tear right there, as well as a tear right here, which I'm sure y'all can see. It's just this little piece right here just kind of wants to fall off. Be careful here, showing y'all. You have that piece right there that tore, as well as this piece right here that tore. All right, and then is that it for that? You can see some creasing going on right there. right? Nothing too crazy, but with all the tears, definitely not ideal. Again, this is a newer shingle that we just installed. You can definitely see the difference in the exposures. Not supposed to be like that when installing a roof. It's not a proper way to do it. They're not compatible with each other. So for that, it's gonna be a failed repair attempt. Thank y'all so much for watching. Again, I hope y'all see that we use proper care, technique, and tools to attempt to do these repairs in the hopes of it passing. But it's, as you can see, it's just not possible. But thanks for watching.